Hello students, in the last video I have given you 2 points to remember while balancing the chemical equation, right? This is the third point I am giving to you. Dealing with polyatomic ions means count polyatomic ions as one item, right? Suppose our equation is given over here, CaSO4 plus NaNO3, which gives the product, that is CaNO3 whole 2 plus Na2SO4. So as we know, this side is reactant and this side is product. So we will have to do the same thing. First of all, we have to write LHS and RHS. So in LHS, what we take, Ca we will take as a whole 1, SO4 we will take as a whole, right? That is how much? 1. Na, how much? Nothing is given, that means 1. NO3 we will take as a whole, as a polyatomic is there, so we will take as a whole. NO3 is how much? 1. Over here Ca is how much? 1. Again here is what? SO4. SO4 is how much? 1 over here. Na is how much? That is 2. NO3 whole 2, that means there is 2 NO3 over here. Now see what? Calcium, both the sides are 1. SO4, both the sides are 1. Na, in the left hand side there is 1, but in the right hand side there is 2. Now what I have to do? In that case, what we have to do? We have to do something over here, right? So we have to write 2 over here in front. As I have said you, we can change the coefficient, but we cannot change the subscript. So if we put 2 over here, so in that way Na becomes 2, right? But one more thing happened over here. NO3 also became 2, right? NO3 also became 2 because this 2 is multiplying with both the things, both the elements, right? Now see what we have got. Ca left hand side means calcium, both the side having 1. SO4 both the side having 1. Na both the side we have got now 2 atoms are there. NO3 both the sides we have got 2. In this way we can easily, by taking the polyatomic ions as one item, we can solve this balancing the chemical equation very easily. Now I am going to take one more points, that is, I have told you before also, count all the atoms. Again I am telling you, see the equation what we have given to balance, that is CH4 plus O2, which gives CO2 plus H2O. As I have told you before, this one is reactants and this one is products. So in the LHS means left hand side and RHS right hand side, we will write the elements what are given over here. So here is carbon given, hydrogen given, as well as oxygen given. Here is also carbon given, hydrogen given, and oxygen given. Now we have to count that how many items are given. See carbon, how many are there? If there is no one, nothing is there given, that means 1. Hydrogen, how much is given? That is 4. Oxygen, how much is given? That is 2 atoms are there. C again, carbon is 1. Oxygen over here, that is we can say 2, and here is nothing, that means 2 and 1, that becomes how much? 3. And here hydrogen is 2. So if we see carefully, what we find that in this side carbon on the both sides are the same, but hydrogen here is 4 and here is 2. Oxygen here is 2 and here is 3. So we have to balance again. What to do now? Suppose we take this hydrogen over here, if we put 2, right, coefficient we can change. So 2 multiplied by 2, that makes the hydrogen how much? 4. Okay, so now the hydrogen both the sides became balanced. But one thing I have told you before, that 2 is given over here, that means it will multiply with oxygen also. Here oxygen is 1, so here now the oxygen becomes 2 and here is 2, so that becomes now what? It becomes 4 now, right? So if we see carefully, carbon is 1 both the sides, hydrogen is both the sides 4. Now oxygen we have to balance. So right side we have got 4 and this side is 2. So as I have said you, we can put 2 over here in the coefficient. So 2 2 ja 4. So here is what we have got, what we needed. Now we can see that both the side the chemicals are the elements are totally balanced. Understood? I hope you have understood how to balance the equation, and I will try to make some more videos to make it more clear. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me, you can comment me, you should comment, so that I should know that how I am giving these videos and how I am doing this. Okay, so thank you very much.